Hey there, cybersecurity warriors. Today I'm diving into the dynamic world of cyber threats and how MITRE ATLAS can supercharge your incident response game. Let's get started. First things first, the threat landscape is massive and constantly changing. Attackers are getting craftier, using a mix of old-school and cutting-edge techniques. So, staying one step ahead means being vigilant and adapting your strategies. So, what's MITRE ATLAS all about? Think of it as a specialized extension of the broader MITRE att&ck framework, zeroing in on lateral movement tactics used by adversaries. Basically, it helps you understand what attackers do once they've breached your defenses. By grasping these tactics, you're better equipped to prepare for and respond to incidents. Now, why is MITRE ATLAS a game changer for incident response? Let's break it down. First up, the structured knowledge base. MITRE ATLAS organizes adversarial tactics in a way that's easy to reference during an incident. This means quicker decision-making and more efficient responses. Next, improved threat detection. By understanding the specific techniques adversaries use, you can fine-tune your detection mechanisms. This leads to faster identification of lateral movements, keeping your network safer. Then there's enhanced playbook development. With Atlas, you can create and refine incident response playbooks. Mapping real-world attacks to Atlas techniques ensures your playbooks stay effective and relevant. Lastly, collaboration and communication. MITRE ATLAS fosters a unified understanding of adversarial tactics. This means better communication and coordination during incidents, reducing confusion and stress. So, how do you implement MITRE ATLAS in your incident response? Here are some steps to get you started. First, training and awareness. Conduct training sessions to familiarize your team with the ATLAS framework. Knowing the terminology and structure is crucial for effective application. Next, integrate with existing tools. Many security platforms allow for integration with att&ck and Atlas techniques. This can enhance your incident response capabilities. Then, develop use cases. Create scenarios based on real-world attacks and map them to Atlas techniques. This helps simulate attacks and test your incident response readiness. Finally, embrace continuous improvement. Regularly review and update your incident response plans based on insights from Atlas. Adaptation is key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving threat landscape. Remember, in cybersecurity, staying informed and prepared is half the battle. MITRE ATLAS is a powerful tool in your arsenal, helping you navigate the complex world of cyber threats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay safe out there.